Hi everyone, this is Heidi with WTI, and I just love glitter. And using these Spectrum Noir glitter markers in neon lights has been such a fun way to change up my crafting and to add a unique look to my coloring projects. This set is called Neon Lights and includes a yellow, violet, blue, pink, orange, and green in neon and glitter. The tip works really well for detailed coloring as well as for lettering. And it's also water-based to add versatility to how they can be used. These neon glitter markers by Spectrum Noir have added so much fun and such a unique look to my crafts and to my coloring. And that's my point of view.